I am Neeta Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn how to convert decimal numbers to hexadecimal. We will use the repeated division by 16 method and build strong intuition with examples. Hexadecimal means base 16. It uses 16 symbols, digits 0 to 9, then letters A through F, where A means 10, B means 11, up to F, which means 15. Let us build a quick map from decimal to hex. We will highlight that 10 maps to A and 15 maps to F. Here is the idea. Divide by 16. Record the remainder. Then divide the quotient again by 16. Record the next remainder. Repeat until the quotient is 0. Then read the remainders from bottom to top to get the hexadecimal digits. Example 1. Convert 26 to hex. 26 divided by 16 is 1 with remainder 10, which is A. Then 1 divided by 16 is 0, with remainder 1. Read the remainders from bottom to top, 1 then A. So 26 base 10 equals 1A base 16. Example 2. Convert 255 to hex. 255 divided by 16 is 15 with remainder 15, which is F. 15 divided by 16 is 0 with remainder 15, which is F. Read the remainders bottom to top, F then F. So 255 base 10 equals FF base 16. Example 3. Convert 1,234 to hex. 1,234 divided by 16 is 77, remainder 2. 77 divided by 16 is 4, remainder 13, which is D. For divided by 16 is 0, remainder 4. Reading remainders bottom to top gives 4D2. So 1,234 base 10 equals 4D2 base 16. Let us quickly check using place value. In base 16, the places are 16 squared, 16 to the 1, and 16 to the 0. 4D2. The 4 sits in the 256 place. D, which means 13, sits in the 16 place, and 2 sits in the 1's place. So 4 times 256 plus 13 times 16 plus 2 equals 1,024 plus 208 plus 2, which is 1,234. Recap. Use repeated division by 16 and collect remainders upward. Remember letters A through F stand for 10 to 15. Practice with a few numbers and always check your result using place value if needed. Thank you for learning with PM Expert.